Oh yeah. Oh, good morning everybody. Son of a bitch. Can't believe it. I got more transmission problems. And I got some issues with my front drive shaft. Ah. Yeah. So, got transmission problems. So, my problem is it's not locking up. So it won't go into overdrive when I'm driving. So it's been going on for a while, for about a month or so. I did go into Baja with that situation. Just crossing my fingers, nothing goes wrong, because I really wanted to get there. So anyway, so I got back out of Baja, and I took it to a place in Yuma, and they would check it as a P740 code, so it's a solenoid. So he replaced that, didn't fix anything, so it was a waste of time. So now I'm here in Tilson here. I brought it to one mechanic that just tried to rip me off, something fierce. Oh my God. So I told him I also have like a weird grinding noise when I take off too fast. So I dropped it off here. He said it takes about an hour to go through the car, just do a quick examination of it. And he did nothing. So he told me, oh, the grinding noise is from my front drive shaft. So, wow. So he says, it's got a lot of play in it and all this stuff, that should be repaired, and they got to take it out, and they got to, this is the front drive shaft. So they got to take it out, and then they got to send it to a place, and they got to put it on a lathe, and they got to grind the welds off, put new welding, they got to do all kinds of yada, 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 rebalance it, and that's going to cost me like $800 something to get all that done. I'm like, wow. So then he said, he never really checked my fluid either. I mean, he had it for an hour, never even checked the fluid, see if, if I had fluid in there. So it was total rip-off. So I got back at my campsite, called a couple other places around. And one guy I found that seemed to be knowledgeable. I liked the way he was talking. So we're gonna bring it in there. Hopefully it's something simple. It's gonna be an easy fix. I don't know. It could be electrical problem, something really, really simple. We don't know yet, or it could be my torque converter or the pump inside, and that means they got to drop the whole tranny and all that stuff down, and that's going to cost me. But we'll see what happens with that. And the drive shaft, when I got back here, I checked around, and I sure can buy a whole new drive shaft, a good drive shaft for $500 to $600. That has the yoke, it was wearing at the yoke there. That's where the play was. So it's like, I could buy this. I could do that myself, actually. So we're gonna see what happens. That's going in a couple days. I got a hotel booked for like 3 nights. Hopefully it'll be done by then. And then we'll just play it by ear. So anyway, that's the story. Let's see what happens. And so if you guys want to help me out, also, yeah, if you guys want to help me out on maybe on the bill a little bit to help me so I can get back into Baja, Mexico in May, be appreciated. The link's below. You can buy me a beer. So don't forget, never stop listening to rock and roll, never stop exploring, and hopefully we'll catch you in a week or so with good news. Strobia. Oh yeah, gotta check out my new hat. So I got my Mexican hat. Way cool.